Hey there, science fans! Are you ready to go on an adventure inside your own body? Today, we're going to follow the incredible path your food takes after you munch on your favorite snack. It's a journey full of twists, turns, and amazing science. Have you ever wondered what happens to your food after you take a bite? It doesn't just disappear. In fact, that's when the real magic begins. Your mouth is the starting line, where teeth and saliva team up to break food into smaller pieces, making it easier to swallow. It's an amazing journey through your digestive system. From your mouth, food travels down a long tube called the esophagus, sliding smoothly into your stomach. Imagine a roller coaster ride, but for your lunch. This system is like a super cool machine inside your body, breaking down food into tiny pieces our bodies can use. Your stomach is like a powerful mixer, churning and mashing food with special juices to make it even smaller. Next, the food moves into your small intestine, where the real magic happens. Here, your body absorbs all the good stuff, vitamins, minerals, and energy, sending them into your blood to help you play, learn, and grow every single day. Think of it like building a giant Lego tower. Each block is important, and you need lots of them to make something awesome. You start with many small Lego blocks, right? Each one fits perfectly to create a strong, tall tower. Food is like those blocks, but, much tastier. Just like you need to break apart a big Lego set to use the pieces, your body needs to break down food into tiny parts. Our bodies can't use big pieces of food, so our digestive system breaks them down into tiny particles, like taking apart the Lego tower. Only then can your body use each piece to build muscles, bones, and give you energy. These tiny particles are like Lego instructions, telling our bodies how to use the food's energy and nutrients. Cool, right? Every bite you take helps your body do amazing things, from running fast to thinking hard. So, buckle up as we explore this fantastic voyage of digestion together. Get ready to discover how your body turns every meal into the fuel you need for your next big adventure. Our food adventure begins in the mouth. This is where the magic of digestion kicks off, right from the very first bite. As soon as we take a mouthful of food, our teeth and tongue get to work, starting an amazing process that prepares our food for the journey ahead. Imagine it's like a blender, but instead of sharp metal blades, we have strong, sturdy teeth. Our teeth come in different shapes and sizes, each designed for a special job, some for cutting, some for tearing, and others for grinding. Chewing is super important. It's the very first step in breaking down food into smaller, more manageable pieces. This makes it much easier for our bodies to handle and digest what we eat. Our teeth are like little chomping machines, working together to grind and mash the food into a soft, squishy texture. The front teeth bite and tear, while the back teeth crush and grind. And guess what helps? Saliva. As we chew, our mouth releases saliva, which makes the food wet and slippery, so it's much easier to swallow without choking. Saliva isn't just water. It has special helpers called enzymes that start breaking down starchy foods like bread and rice, turning them into simpler sugars right in your mouth. Remember when you eat mashed potatoes? Chewing turns all kinds of food into a mushy, soft texture just like that, making it much easier to swallow and helping your stomach and intestines do their job later on. Next stop, the esophagus. After swallowing, our food travels down this long tube. Think of it like a slide at the playground. Whoosh! The esophagus is a muscular tube that gently squeezes the food downwards. It's like a slow, controlled squeeze, moving the food towards our stomach. This squeezing is called peristalsis. It ensures the food goes in the right direction, even if we stand on our heads. Now, the food arrives in the stomach, a stretchy bag like a balloon. But instead of air, it's filled with powerful juices. These juices are super strong, like a food processor, breaking down the food even more. The stomach churns and mixes everything, kind of like a washing machine but for food. This churning helps mix the food with the stomach's juices, breaking it down into a thick liquid. The journey continues in the small intestine, a long and winding tube like a roller coaster. Here, more digestive juices break down the food mixture even further. The small intestine has a bumpy inner surface to absorb all the good stuff from the food, like vitamins, minerals, and energy. It's like soaking up the sun, but instead of sunlight, it's nutrients. The walls of the small intestine are covered in tiny finger-like projections called villi. These villi increase the surface area for absorption, making sure our bodies capture all the good stuff. Finally, we reach the large intestine. This is the last major stop in our digestive journey, and it plays a crucial role in keeping our bodies balanced and healthy. The large intestine might not get as much attention as the stomach or small intestine, but it's just as important. By now, most of the nutrients from your food have already been absorbed in the small intestine. What's left behind is mostly water, fiber, and waste material that your body doesn't need. This leftover mixture enters the large intestine, where the next important phase begins. The large intestine acts like a giant sponge, soaking up water and minerals from the waste. This process helps your body stay hydrated and keeps your internal environment just right. As water is absorbed, the waste becomes more solid, forming what we know as stool. This solid waste is then carefully stored in the rectum, which is the final section of the large intestine. The rectum acts like a holding area, keeping the waste safe until your body is ready to get rid of it. When the time is right, your body sends a signal, and the waste is eliminated through the anus in a process we all know as pooping. It's a natural and essential part of staying healthy. And that, my friends, is the incredible journey of your food, from the very first bite to the final goodbye. Every step along the way is carefully coordinated to make sure your body gets what it needs. From a tasty morsel to tiny particles, your digestive system works tirelessly, breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and fueling every cell in your body. It's a remarkable process that keeps you healthy, energized, and ready for anything. So next time you eat, remember the fantastic voyage happening inside you. Every meal is an adventure, and your body is the amazing ship that makes it all possible.